How do you feel when you sing?
I feel excited and happy that I just can get all of that music out of my soul.
Okay, we have our Grinch cast and crew. We're gonna try a little bit of one of our songs here, What Christmas Means. We're just in rehearsal here, getting ready for Thursday.
I didn't know, I didn't realize what Christmas means. What Christmas means. I was so mean, but I didn't know how else to be until I realized what Christmas means. What Christmas means. I didn't realize what Christmas means. What Christmas means. My teeny heart was the size of a little bean until I realized what Christmas means. What Christmas means. My heart is pounding. You hear those bells ringing, sounding. How did I miss it? This special moment, because no one cared, no one showed.
Good job, you guys. They sound great. Come check out the show, everybody.
So, welcome to the land of